Yeah.
That's coming over.
Look, Aiden, you got a new outfit.
You got tape on your hand. Okay.
What's in that one, buddy? Let's see it.
Excuse me.
Oh my gosh! It's a lunchbox with your name on it. So you
Oh, he's not excited about that.
There, Bella, open that one.
Kaylin.
Wow.
Hey, baby. Look at Uncle Ted.
Yeah.
Hey, Kaylin.
Kaylin.
She's playing with the truck.
The snot. Uh-oh, what's that?
What is it?
What is it?
Here, Fred.
Oh, it's a shaving kit so you can shave like Daddy.
Open it. Here, open this way.
Awesome.
No, I got another trash pack.
Nick, you get all the dirt off your face.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, Nick, look here. No, look, another present.
Hey, Bella. Bella. Open your presents, Bella.
Ryan, who's that right there?
That's stuff for you guys.
Yeah, you're last.
Yeah.
Hey, Fred, you don't have a Phillips head screwdriver on you. Yeah.
I'll go get one.
drawer.
These are all. Ryan's going to get it.
Ryan will get it.
Ryan's going to get it.